everyone, welcome back to my IGTV. I have a really quick tutorial for you today based on the last tutorial that I gave. I got some good questions about how to give feedback in a virtual classroom. So I am going to show you 3 tools that you can use to give really valuable feedback in a very efficient way. Now, I want to stress that this is not about grading. I'm not talking about rubrics and assigning scores. Instead, I'm talking about giving feedback to students, particularly for me, when I will be giving students feedback for their essays. I teach AP students that still need AP practice to get ready for the AP exam, so this is going to be particularly valuable for me. But you can also use this for any sort of digital assignment in order to give feedback very, very efficiently and something that's a little bit more personalized and meaningful for students. So what's also great about these is that all 3 of these options are going to give you the opportunity to use them with any learning management system. So in my high school, we use Google Classroom. In my university, we use Blackboard. These will work the same for any learning management system that you are using with your students to push out information, to assign digital lessons, etc. So we're going to start with what I'm using right now. As you can see here, I am recording my screen, and there is a webcam video of me in the corner. And what I'm using to record this is a Google Chrome extension called Screencastify. Now, I want to show you that what's great about this is that they already have so many options for using this with school. In fact, I scrolled all the way to the bottom to begin with, and I found an option for teachers, classroom resources. And you can see here that there are just so many ideas for becoming a master with screencasting, for free downloads, 50 ways to use Screencastify in the classroom. So this is a great place to start. Unfortunately, I can't walk you through exactly how to use it because I am currently using it, but I thought that it would be a great option for you to be able to record your screen if you have an essay in the background or you want to give students that personalized feedback. It's very easy to then save this to either your Google Drive or to your computer and then upload or send the video to students that way. And if you feel uncomfortable being on the webcam, you can also get rid of that. So that does not have to be there. Now, an alternative example would be a web-based screencasting service, and that is called Screencast-O-Matic. Oh wait, one more thing I want to show you. If you go under pricing, you'll see that there are forever free options for this. You are limited to 5-minute videos. I have paid for the unlimited in the past because I use this for just a variety of things, a variety of tutorials that I do. But you can make it work with the forever free version that is, like we said, completely free. Screencast-O-Matic is the other option. Again, first we're going to start just by looking at pricing to compare. You can see here that for Screencast-O-Matic, you also have the opportunity to pay monthly and to get the deluxe version. I've even seen that recently they have a new premiere version that I've never seen before. But most importantly that I want to point out is that you can record for free. You're just limited with what you can do once you record it. But for the purposes of a virtual classroom, I never really found that it was necessary to have the paid version for this one. Now, this one's a little bit different because this one is going to work within your web browser. So it's not going to specifically save. Like up here, you see this button for Screencastify, which is what I'm currently screen recording with. You're not going to have that with Screencast-O-Matic, which is nice because if you don't use Google Chrome, you can still use this screencasting option. So you just click start recording for free and it will prompt you and run you through the options to make sure that you have audio, to decide whether or not you want your webcam, and it's just going to record within the screen that you set. So it's kind of nice because you can change the size of your screen. If you don't want to show what's up here, you can always change that. Okay, the last option is my favorite option. So what I'm going to show you is an example Google Classroom. Like I said, though, this can work with any learning management system. Over here in the corner, you can see this cute little blue microphone. When I click on it, it is going to start recording an audio comment. This is called Talk and Comment, and you can access this by going to the Google Chrome web store, and I will show you that in a second. But let me show you how this works. So after I recorded it, it's going to host this URL where you can copy and paste it, and it will host your video for you. You don't have to save it to your drive. You don't have to try to email it. It is going to just give you this URL. So let's say, for example, that I am grading a student's paper, essay, assignment. All I have to do, as you can see, I already have one here, is highlight the text and add a comment. And when I do that, I'm going to paste in my voice comment. And you can see here that when I click play, just like a student would, it's going to play the audio. It is going to start recording an audio comment. This is called. So it's so awesome because you can use this in so many different ways. You can send this through email, you can upload the URL or link, you can make a comment with it. It's a really great option. So let me show you how easy it is to install this. I simply went to Google and I just typed in the Chrome web store just for an easy way to access the web store. The first option will come up and you'll click on that. Next, in the search the store button at the top, I'm going to type in talk and comment. You'll see that it comes up. And it will say right here to add to Chrome. You'll automatically add to Chrome and you'll see this little button at the top added. When you click on it, you just toggle it on. It will prompt you to give your computer the audio microphone option so that it's enabled so that they can actually hear what you're saying. And then you're ready to go. You just click out of it and you're ready to start leaving audio messages. So that is pretty much it for this tutorial. Those are just 3 easy ways to get information and get information to students that they need. So I guess you could do it for directions, but also, and most importantly, is just to give them valuable feedback to make it feel more personalized than just kind of typing back and forth. So I hope that you like this tutorial. Feel free to tag somebody that might be able to use this in the next few weeks. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.